everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. So, some of us celebrate Valentine's Day, and if you do, then you know that Valentine's Day is a day where we celebrate people that we love. It's a romantic holiday. Actually, there's a lot of history behind Valentine's Day and why certain people celebrate it. Now, remember, I like to create boards, especially if it's on a holiday, because I know not everyone celebrates every holiday. I like to create boards that are going to be informative and tell us about what the holiday is and show us different things that happen within that holiday. Even if we don't celebrate it, it's great to learn about, correct? So, this is another one of those boards. There's tons of things in here that will help you to learn about the holiday of Valentine's Day and why it's celebrated. So if you come here, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you Cupid gives you all the info. So Cupid will tell us the background of Valentine's Day. And there are other things throughout this board that will do not telling, but kind of explaining in certain ways. So on here, we actually have a full-length Berenstain Bears video. I don't know if any of you have read Berenstain Bears books. I loved Berenstain Bears when I was growing up. But the books have kind of like gotten out of popularity in the past couple, I don't know, 15-ish years. But they used to make TV shows too that went along with the books. And so there's a Valentine's Day special with them. Just like every board, I've included a how to draw something that's very Valentine's-esque and a yoga that goes around along with Valentine's Day. There are read-alouds on here. There are clips. There is a game that I want to show you guys. Is it this? I hope it's this one. Nope. And that's an ad. Oh, Pete the Cat. If you were reading up top, I hate it when the ads pop up too. It just annoys me. Here it is. Here's a game, and I'm going to show you how to play this game. It's called Maze Lover Puzzle Game. I love mazes. Do you love mazes? Well, and the twist on this is because it's Valentine's Day and it's about love that you have to get to the person that you love in the maze. Okay, so here, get rid of all the pop-ups. All right, so to do this, you have to use your fingers on the mouse to go the way you need the character to go. So I'm using my keyboard to go the way it needs to go. Oh, they kissed. Ew, gross. Okay, so then it's let's play. Oh, I didn't realize my head is in the way. Then it's let's play and we have to select our level. And you have to go fast. Do you see at the top where we have that time clock? So I'm going to scroll it down. I've got to try to get there before the time clock is up. I'm going to make it. Am I going to make it? I made it. Okay, and then it will just unlock the next level. So, but listen, this is what I teach all of my friends every time I do a board like this. You notice there were other games and other things that were popping up. That is the nature of the internet. And I can try to block that as many ways as I can, and then something always happens to where it's unplayable, or the link dies, or the link breaks, and kids can't get to what I'm trying to get them to. So, I have taught everyone in the Media Center and through other lessons of these, if you've watched, that what I link is what you're supposed to go to. And if you go to something else other than what I linked, like I linked to the maze game. I didn't link anything else that you could see. If you go somewhere else, that's not using technology properly. So there are certain places that are just right places for us on the internet, and there are certain places where we don't belong on the internet. And I will only link the just right things for you if you stay where I tell you to go, because all you have to do is make a couple of wrong clicks and you can wind up somewhere and be like, I don't know what's going on. I'm so confused. Well, guys, you're not where I told you to be. So make sure that if you do play the maze game, or even if you're watching a video and there's other videos that pop up to the side that say, hey, watch this next. Are you supposed to do that? No, that's not using technology appropriately. You're only supposed to go where your teacher sends you, right? Only the places that your teacher linked. Okay, so I hope you enjoy exploring this. Oh, there also is another craft on here that if you want to try to make it, it shows you how to try to make it. It's pretty cool. I hope you have a very happy Valentine's Day and enjoy this board. Later, guys.